Sometimes words carry a weight much deeper than the sound. You don't have to say it all, don't have to break the ground. Silence is a fortress, a shield against the fray. Restraint is worth its weight in gold when the storm comes your way. You'll see when the fire dies and the dust begins to clear, when the echoes fade away and there's nothing left to fear. Everything aligns itself, the path becomes so plain. Silence is the master key that breaks every chain. Solve every problem in a quiet, steady way. No more noise, no more heat, nothing left to say. You feel so much better, you feel so much more when your silence is the strength that opens every door. Don't always give the doubt a place to grow and take control. Breathe it in, hold it tight, command your very soul. The world outside is screaming loud, but you are standing still. The quiet path is the only way to climb the highest hill.
Don't speak.
So much more when your silence is the strength that opens every